Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into a knitted or embroidery styles photo using CapCut. This method is super easy, beginner friendly, and you don't need any editing skills at all. And okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then make sure you are connected to the internet because we will be using a template. And then next, just go to template sections or template menu, this one. Just tap on it and then just tap on search bar and just type AI knitted like this. And then in here you will see several templates with knitted styles effect. Just choose one that you like. You can preview it first to see how the final result will look like this. And then next, just tap on use template, use AI template, and then just choose the photo or upload the photo that you want to turn into a knitted effect. And then next, just tap on next. Okay, like this. There you go. Your normal photo has now been transformed into a knitted embroidery styles image. Next, next you can, and then next you can edit it further to the CapCut timeline, like maybe adjust the durations, add background music, or add text to make it look even more aesthetic. And when you're done, just tap on export, and next you can save it to your device or share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. That's how you can turn a normal photo into a knitted embroidery effect using CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.